Hi everyone! Today I'm going to introduce a super popular Japanese candy called Nerunerunerune. Check out this packaging! So fun, right? At the end, I try mixing the two flavors together, so be sure to watch until the end. Let's start with the soda flavored colorful ramen version. Let's open it up! I'm so excited! Oh! There are 3 powder packets inside. They are numbered, which makes it really easy to follow. There's also a spoon and a tray. And look, there's a cute tray on the right side. First, we will cut off the triangle cup. Let's get started. First, pour powder number 1 into the left side of the tray. I'm so excited! It smells like soda. Now, add 1 cup of water using the triangle cup. Let's see what happens. Oh, it turned yellow. Mix it well. Okay, now we add powder number 2. What's gonna happen? Wow! It's turning a bright blue! So pretty! Mix it really well. Look at that! It's getting super fluffy. The more you mix, the fluffier it gets. It's so soft and squishy, and the color turned into a pretty light blue. Alright, now it's time for the toppings. What do we have here? Wow, colorful ramen bits! There's a lot of them. Love it! Oops! One flew out. Now, let's scoop up some of the Nerunerunerune and dip it in the ramen. Can't wait! Oh! It sticks really well. So cute! Looks delicious! Let's try it! いただきます。So good! The refreshing soda flavor and the tangy rameness go perfectly together. The crunch of the ramen and the fluffy candy are an amazing combo. Crunch crunch! Alright, next up is the grape flavor. This one comes with colorful candy chips for toppings. So exciting! Let's open it. Oh, it looks the same as the soda one. The packets are numbered 2. Cut off the water cup and let's get started. First, pour powder number 1 into the tray. There's quite a lot of powder. Oh, it smells like grape. Now, add 1 cup of water. Wow! It's a bluish purple color. So pretty! Let's mix it up. It's getting thick. Keep mixing. Looks delicious. Now, add powder number 2. Oh! Mix it well again. Look! It's getting all fluffy again. This always amazes me. So fun to make. It turned into a nice light purple and looks super yummy. Oh, now for the toppings. What's inside this time? Can't wait! Here we go! Wow, so sparkly and cute! There are tiny star-shaped pieces too! Let's dip the fluffy candy and give it a try. Spin it around to coat it all. So cute! Looks like a jewel. I'm getting hyped. Looks delicious. Let's eat. Yummy! Crunch crunch! The grape flavor and sweet candy chips go so well together. The combo of fluffy and crunchy texture is perfect. This one's super delicious too. Both flavors of Nerunerunerune are totally recommended. Now, here's a little bonus. Let's mix the two together. What do you think will happen? I'm so excited! It's super fluffy and the colors are beautiful together, kind of a soft pastel color. Let's throw in all the toppings too. Go big or go home, right? Wow! This turned into a deluxe Nerunerunerune. I can't wait to try it. What do you think? Doesn't it look delicious? I wonder if anyone else eats it like this? It's so fluffy and fun. Okay, here we go. Let's eat. Oh wow! It's so good. Grape and soda really do go great together. Such a perfect match. So what did you think? This makes a great souvenir from Japan, so definitely give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!